progression, we will see something with some point. Important point is known as the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean class. You know what does mean means, right? And again, what will be arithmetic mean? So that if we can say A and M and B, these three consecutive terms of arithmetic progression. Then we can say here, as with the definitions, the ratio, which means we can say A1, A2, A3, and up to AN. If it is arithmetic, don't forget class, with the difference between any two consecutive terms, which means A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2, which equals to A4 minus A3, which equals to AN minus 1, is always something which is constant. That constant is D. So here, if A, M, and B are some numbers, which is three consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression, we can say here, which is A minus M, which is the first, M minus A, the second term minus the first term, which equals to B minus M. Now we can rearrange here. So M here, so M is equals to 2 times of M, bring this M, so A plus B. So from this we have 2M, 2M equals to A plus B, which means 2M over 2 equals to say A plus 2 over 2, A plus B over 2, we can say. Which means that M is equal to say A plus B over 2. Meaning that this M is known as the arithmetic mean between any three consecutive terms of the given arithmetic progression. This is known as the arithmetic mean. Say for example, given let's say 3 and say 9. Find the arithmetic mean. Between 3 and 9. Which means you have solved A and B. So here arithmetic mean is equals to simply here A plus B over 2, which means 2 plus 3, 3 plus 9 over 2, which equals to say 12 over 2. So the number value here it is 6. The arithmetic mean between two terms, which means 3 and 9 is 6. We can observe here as an arithmetic mean A, M and B. We can say this A is 3 and this is 9. So that we'll get a number 6. So we can observe simply these three terms of the consecutive terms of what arithmetic progression. Meaning the difference between 6 and 3 and the difference between 9 and 3 is always constant, so that the common difference is 3 here.